With space for 15 place settings, this Beko dishwasher is able to clean all of your dishes in one cycle, perfect for family households. EverClean filter technology uses a sprinkler system to automatically clean the filter's interior, which maintains a consistent high-level performance, saving you the time and effort of manually cleaning the filter. AquaIntense technology utilises an extra spray arm in the bottom basket to provide more intensive, high-pressure cleaning for more heavily soiled items. Even the most stubborn food is washed away effortlessly for truly spotless results. Quick programs can get through a full load of moderately soiled dishes in just 30 minutes, or get through a fully soiled load in just 58 minutes. Perfect for when you need dishes cleaned before guests arrive. Help to look after the environment without sacrificing on quality with this impressive dishwasher from Beko and its A++ energy efficient rating.